Hi guys, my name is Christy and I'm here to talk to you about our bump eraser Cool Splash. Cool Splash is a refreshing solution to help cool the skin. It helps soothe shaving rash and it helps prevent ingrown hairs from developing. Formulated with natural fruit acid, this product helps soothe and reduce the appearance of redness. Cool Splash is ideal for the face, neck and chest post-shaving, IPL and laser treatments. It is vegan friendly and is suitable for all areas of the body. Let me show you how it works. Shake well before use. After showering or when required, pour a few drops of bump eraser Cool Splash onto the palm of your hands and then pat onto skin. Our bump eraser Cool Splash comes in a 125ml bottle and is available online and in-store at selected distributors. Thanks for watching.